Welcome to the Stanley Way, friends. Today I'm going to do a comparison video between the Parts AM H11 LED headlights and your standard halogen headlights. We're going to talk about what makes them different. We're going to do a side-by-side comparison, and then I'm going to show you the mistake that I made and I hope that you don't make in the future. Let's check them out. The headlights we'll be talking about today are for a 2011 Ford Fiesta. This particular vehicle requires 4 headlights, 2 for the high beam, 2 for the low beam. The H11 lights, which we'll be talking about today, are for low beam operation. Now the lights that I ordered are H11s, which is the bulb that's on top. I did not realize that there's a difference between H11 bulbs, and my car actually has H11 Bravos, and that's the old halogen that's pictured on the bottom. The biggest difference is obvious. The standard H11 has a wire coming from it to hook to a wire harness, where the H11 Bravo, the one on the right, has 2 tabs that engage in the socket connector in the headlight housing. The Parts AM headlight body is made of aviation aluminum for strength and superior heat dissipation. The integrated cooling fan pulls heat away from the bulb and the driver through the aluminum heat sink at the back of the bulb. Removal of your old light is simple. Just remove the dust cover. Unlock the light from the assembly by rotating 45 degrees counterclockwise and remove from the socket. Installation is as simple as removal if you order the right bulb. Push the light into the socket and rotate clockwise 45 degrees, and you'll notice the 2 tabs engage the electrical socket. Now you reinstall the dust cover and you're finished. Time to enjoy your bright new LED headlights. Now since these lights don't fit on my car, I can't show you a comparison video. But what you're seeing now is a previous video that I made where I installed the 9005 high beam headlights onto my car, and I was able to do a comparison video. Click the video card at the top right corner if you'd like to check out that video. Thanks for watching and for all your support. Check the video description for any links and discount codes. I hope you have a great day. See you later.